Okay, so CCA just launched a new earphone. The new model is their CS16, 8 balanced armature per side of the earphone. It's an all BA set. So, all BA would not be something I like, but it's out. At least CCA, they tend to tune their earphones well. Yeah, I know it's a sub brand of KZ and it's pretty much KZ that's tuning it. But that division, this I prefer CCA earphones to KZ earphones most times. But currently my benchmark for KZ is their EDX because I really love their EDX. So this new model it's an 8 balance armature per side. So let's take a look at the specs. Its impedance is 18 ohms. Sensitivity is 105 decibels, which is quite easy to drive. Frequency response is 20 Hz to 40 kilohertz. 2-pin connection style, so you can actually use it with any cable that you feel like using it with. So in terms of look, it just looks like it looks like the other CCA that was launched early this year. It's coming with decent balance armature. It's not using nose or Sony, and so don't expect that on budget sets like this. So these are customized cheap balanced armatures that these tri-fi brands use a lot, especially tri-fi brands like KZ. So maybe expect an average to. So don't expect the best sound out of this. It's not going to have the best sound, but from the frequency response that I'm seeing here, it seemed pretty flat from the bass region, has a bit of a hump in the mid, in the mids, and it extends to the treble. So that pinna, it's there. It If this tuning is what they went with, I expect a very lean sounding lower frequency with this, and I pretty much may expect a now graph does not tell the full picture of what these things would turn out to be, but from what I'm seeing here, this will have a very lean sounding nature to it. So it's gonna have a lean mid and a lean bass. It depends on what you're looking for. Now it may have detail, it may resolve better than every other KZ and CCA set, so it depends on what you're looking for. But this looks like a bright set, and I'm not a fan of a bright set, but let's see what people say about it once they get their hands on it. At least right now, there are many discounts going on, so price right now is around $80. So check the link in the description to get updated pricing and see whether this is for you or something that you would like to check out and see whether you would be interested in having one. All you got to do right now is make sure you still follow us here on our YouTube channel for more news reports. Subscribe, like our content, and I'm going to see you guys next time.